Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, which of the following is not a period cost? Multiple choice: cost of seminar concerning tax law updates that was attended by the company's controller, insurance on a company showroom where customers can view new products, depreciation of factory maintenance equipment, salary of a clerk who handles customer billing. Bressette Corporation has provided the following information: tracked materials, tracked labor, variable manufacturing overhead, fixed manufacturing overhead, sales commissions, variable administrative expense, fixed selling and administrative expense, cost per unit, cost per period: 6.20, 3.70, 1.25, 10,000, 1.50, 0.50, 5,000 for financial reporting purposes. The total amount of product costs incurred to make 5,000 units is closest to multiple choice: 10, $70, $70,750, 0, $10,000, $65,750, $55,750. And the answer of the question is depreciation of factory maintenance equipment. Explanation: period costs include selling, general and administrative expenses. Depreciation of factory maintenance equipment is related to manufacturing and is thus a product cost. Bressette Corporation have provided the following information. Pause the video and go through the calculations. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.